Hey, the all-new Ford Bronco was just unveiled, and it got me wondered, how would an electric Bronco will look like? By the way, I'm Omer, an industrial and graphic designer, and you are watching Electric Design. My electric redesign will be based on the original car, with the purpose of delivering a futuristic and clean appearance without changing the all-new design too much. For this redesign, I picked three major inspirations: the Ford Bronco, the Ford SVT Lightning, and the VW Beach Buggy. I personally think the new Bronco is both unique and a copycat at the same time. Confused? Let me explain. On the one hand, the Ford Bronco don't look too angry and sketchy like many modern cars and SUVs. The Bronco features quiet lines with boxy proportions suited for a rugged off-road vehicle, unlike the complex and aggressive new design of the Chevy Blazer for comparison. I like it. But on the other hand, Ford clearly wanted to aim directly at the best off-road models in the likes of the Jeep Wrangler and the Land Rover Defender. Therefore, Ford copied major design cues from those models as well as other famous off-road vehicles like the front turn signal shape from the Toyota FJ Cruiser, as well as the flat front end with circular headlights like in the Wrangler. And even the bumper is very similar. And of course, the black piece in the middle reminds me of the Defender style with the massive black plastic cover up front. Does it matter too much? Well, not for me. In order to make the Bronco to look like an electric model, I blocked the oval openings in the grille and matched the color with the rest of the body in order to gain a clean look. I was influenced by the Ford SVT Lightning from the 90s, which had a colored grille matched to the rest of the body. I think it is a simple but necessary modification in order to make the electric model stand out from the rest of the lineup, thanks to the unified and futuristic front end. I continued along with the futuristic theme and added a blue light signature surrounding the circular headlight unit. I also added this blue light to what was the turn signal to enhance the future and fresh side of the technology, supporting by the illuminated Bronco typo in the center like in Lincoln's emblems. All of which create a sort of continuous line between the two circular units for a complete and smart look. I was influenced by the simple yet distinct and cute look of the VW Buggy, which had a unified color front end with a big circular headlights. By the way, I placed the turn signals in the bumper's fog light sections. Next up is the side profile. I placed a decorative strip with a blue accent combined with the surrounding yellow and red lights to have a resemble to the original Bronco, which had a chrome strip stretching along the side profile with the two lights units below. Since this model is the most unique in the lineup, I decided to spare the rugged rims and replace them with the rims from the Ford Mach-E Electric. Therefore, they have a futuristic and sophisticated look. I added some more blue tone accents on several of the spokes and blacked out the rest in order to make the blue to pop out even more, so it will be clear for everyone that this model is unlike any other. And of course, no future electric car is complete without the future filter. There you go, the electric Ford Bronco. Who said electric cars are boring? So, what do you think? Would you prefer the rugged look of the ICE version or my clean and simple approach in the electric version? Tell me in the comments below. And you know what? I wasn't sure about the grey color though. It is definitely goes well with the blue accent, so I tried some more colors. What is your favorite? I'm definitely not keen on the original orange color, and to be honest, orange is my least preferred color for a car. Oh. There's a ton of electric designs coming your way, so stay tuned and hit the subscribe button. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you the next time.